Ubwo Uganda erikwetebeekanisiza z'okukuza ekiro ky'akakooko ka siriimu okucondoza nikworeka ngu nikakyeyongyera eminyeto hamwe n'abashaija b'emyaka yahamya omu ihanga. Buri mwaka akakiiko akarikujunaanwa enshonga z'okurwanisa siriimu omu ihanga ka Uganda AIDS Commission nikatebeekanisa ekigaaniiro ekirikumanywa nka National HIV and AIDS Symposium ekirikwetabwamu abahango, abanyamakuru hamwe n'abandi bantu abo kirikukwataho omu ihanga.
Thousands and thousands of patients, right from the early days when they came in with slim disease, with extreme wasting, extreme diarrhea, with Kaposi sarcoma, with TB, with toxoplasmosis, with cryptococcal meningitis, name it. I have seen it all. You come to the ward, I was telling Dr. Ruth Senyoni while we were seated, you come to the ward, perform a ward round, and come back the next day and almost 7 patients you're taking care of, but all of them have those things. Medical students of today are reading about AIDS. You find them scratching books and textbooks. That is where we have come from. And for us this day is a day to look back and count our blessings.
Ekigaaniiro eki nikiba kigendereire kutema empenda hamwe n'okuhaana ebiteekateeka ha kurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu hamwe n'okukora ripoota ey'okwanjurira ihanga ah'izooba ry'okwijuka akakooko ka siriimu.
And my point on socio-economic transformation and poverty eradication. Without poverty eradication, it's going to be a tough one for us to stop new infections. So what is the future? We need a balanced and integrated approach, and this integration must be high-quality, people-centered, and non-stigmatizing, supported by functional systems, from logistics to human resource to information system, and so on and so forth. Get some of them, and they're like, no, I know this is the time not to be single. 13 years. They have those phrases. If you listen to them, those who have children that age, they say, I'm not single, I am taken. Have you heard those phrases? I'm not single. At 13, what class were you in? S1. And they're not single.
Okurigirira abakugu hakiriho okugumirwaho kurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu omu minyeto hamwe n'okucendeera kw'obuhwezi bw'okugura emibazi.
Yet amid these challenges, there is also a story of resilience and opportunity. With renewed commitment and smart investment, we believe that ending AIDS as a public health threat is still within our reach, and particularly for Uganda.
Young women, services for packages for these people are only in 50 out of the 146 districts. We also have a gap with pre-exposure prophylaxis that we have many people who are eligible for this service, but only 3% out of those eligible are actually accessing this.
Omwaka ogu ekiro ky'okwijuka akakooko ka siriimu nikija kukorwa omu disitulikiti ya Bushenyi aha mutwe gurikugira ngu Overcoming Disruption Transforming the AIDS Response. Aha bwa TV West Ndyamusiimanta.